A Equal Guide, Moment 2. What is the Equal Guide? The Equal Guide is a document that describes the different proportions in which different types of food are needed to have a well-balanced and healthy diet. Who is the Equal Guide intended for? The Equal Guide applies to most people regardless of weight, dietary restriction, preference, or ethnic origin, whether it doesn't apply to children or because they have different nutrition. What are the groups the Equal Guide is divided in? The guide is divided in 5 groups: fruits and vegetables, wheat, rice, potatoes, pasta, meat, fish, egg, beans, food and drinks high in fat and sugar, milk and dairy. When you set the Equal Guide, you can use the Equal Guide to decide what to eat, what food cook, foods that you included in your shopping for groceries, or foods that you should eat in. What are the specific recommendations for each group? Eat at least 5 portions of diet of fruit and vegetables each day. Base meals on potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, or other starchy carbohydrates, choosing whole grain version where possible. You can consume dairy with less fat and sugar. Eat some beans, pulse, fish, egg, meat, and other proteins, including 2 portions of fish every week, one of which should be oily. Choose unsaturated oils and spirits and eat a small amount. What about daily hydration? You should consume 6 to 8 glasses of fluid a day. What about food labeling? Front-end labeling shows the nutritional information, the recommended daily intake, the amount of each nutrient, the percentage contribution of each nutrient. Also, they can help to better how many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs. Male this age require 2,500 calories, and females this age require 2,000 calories per day. Thank you.